not hellhounds, and you can actually see them. Oh, the bad thing about the quality of this thing is the snow. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I got scared, okay? Don't blame me. Thank goodness. Oh,
what just happened?
I shot it.
Oh,
that's what
the legendary one. Let's get him.
Crap! Watch this one can come inside. I bet.
Don't shoot the one that looks like a tiger.
Oh, okay.
I gotta shoot that one.
I hear it growling. It's growling. Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh crap.
Don't walk out, there's like 6 of them out there. Don't shoot that one.
I don't want to shoot any of them. Oh crap. It's trying to come in the window.
Holy!
Oh,
yes,
God.
I killed him!
Okay. Yeah, we gotta make our way out of here.
Holy crap! Okay, search Bear Claw Camp for Brutus the legendary bear. What?
Bears aren't as fun though. Look at all the dead cougar bodies.
Okay, I gotta come here now. Alright, heck with you, I'm running.
Oh gosh, you suck. Horsey. I'm out of ammo. Alright, here we are. Should torch the place. Cougar!
They can probably run faster than your horse.
Oh, yeah, probably. I'm away though.